everybody, it's our last phonics session this week. So for our phonics warm-up today, we're going to have a game of phonics corners. So grown-ups, you need to have some pieces of paper with these letters written on. So we've got this sound, what's this one? We've got this sound, what's this one? Ah, 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 ah. We've got this sound, what's this one? And we've got this sound, what's this one? Fantastic. So we've got four sounds that we've been learning, and you're going to write each sound onto a big piece of paper. What I want you to do is I want you to get your piece of paper and you're going to put them in the four corners of your room that you're playing in today. Okay, so I'm going to put one over here. I'm going to put one over here.
And then I'm going to find them, okay?
No, you're not gonna. No, we're not going to find them. I'm going to put one over here. I'm going to go and put one over there. Okay, so this is a good time. Pause the video. Get your sounds ready in the four corners of your room. And then when you're ready, press play and we can start the game. Right, boys and girls, are you ready for a game of phonics corners?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, right. You need your listening ears because it's phonics, remember? So it's all about sound.
Mom,
so we're listening. I'm going to say a word and you need to have a really good think. What is the first sound in the word? And you need to go to that corner of the room where the letter is. I'm going to say puppy. Puppy. So run, have a look round. Where's the sound? In your room, have a look round. Where's the sound? And you need to run to that corner. Come and stand at the corner. So did you find this one? That's the sound. We'll have one more practice together and then I'm going to do it a bit faster, okay? Listening ears ready. Sock. Sock. Have a look. Can you find? Oh, Luna, let's show the boys and girls what does look like. Thank you. Did you find this sound? Did you find that letter?
Yeah.
Brilliant, well done. Right, are you ready to do it a bit faster? So you've got to really, really run.
Okay.
Go and put that back on there for me, thank you. Ready? Apple. Apple. Oh, fantastic. Did you find this one? Apple. Well done. Okay, ready? Tomato. Tomato. Oh, did you find it? Let's have a look. Tomato. Well done. Are you ready to go again? Super fast. Pineapple. Pineapple. Oh, have you found it in your room? Have you found the...
No.
Thank you. That's the... Brilliant, well done. Ready? Snake. Oh, did you find the... Teeth. Teeth. Where's the... I don't think Isabel and Luna can find. It's there. Well done. Okay, ready. One more. One more. Let's see who's going to be the fastest.
I'm going to be the fastest.
Alligator. Go, 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 go. Can you find Where's in your room? Have a look. Have you found it? Isabel and Luna still can't find it. You should know where it is now. Remember, it's there. There we go. Ah. Well done. Well done, everybody. Give yourselves a big, big thumbs up. That was a fantastic game of Phonics Corners. Okay, let's learn a new sound. This is the part of our phonics where you need to close your eyes. You just need your listening ears. So make sure you've got your listening ears switched on and close your eyes. The sound we're going to learn this week is mm. Mm. You can open your eyes. Okay, now you can watch Sam. The sound we're looking at this week is mm. How can you see what I'm doing with my mouth when I make that sound? Sometimes grown-ups, it's helpful to look into a mirror when the children are making the sound so that they can check that their mouth is doing the right thing, especially if it's a sound they find difficult. Mm. Brilliant. Shall we make the sound as loud as we can? This time I want you to pretend that you're an aeroplane flying through the sky. Mm. Can you do it even louder? Mm. Brilliant. Well done. You're fantastic. Noisy aeroplanes. Noisy. Noisy. Let's have a look at some things that begin with the sound Oh, we've got necklace. Necklace. Can you say it? Necklace. Necklace. I wonder if anybody you know's got a necklace. We've got a... What's this? Nappy. 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 I wonder if anybody's got a baby at home that needs a nappy. And we've got a notebook. Notebook. Can you say notebook? Brilliant, well done. Let's just remind ourselves what the different things are that begin with the n sound. Necklace. Nappy. Notebook. This is the letter N and it makes the sound n. N for needle. N for nest. N for nose. Now let's think about making that n sound. Get your Peter pointer ready. Don't forget, if you need to stand up to make bigger arm movements, then you can. Peter pointer in the sky. And we're going to go down, up and over. Down, back up and over. Shall we try it with our tiny, tiny fairy pencils? Ready? Down, back up and over. Well done. One more time. Down, back up and over. Fantastic, everybody. Don't forget that learning to write letters should be a fun activity, not just copying off a piece of paper or using pens and pencils. We can use paintbrushes. You could even do some gross mark making outside using mops on the floor or great big chalks to draw on the floor outside. See how many different ways you can get your child to make the n sound and all the other ones that we've been learning. I hope you've enjoyed our phonics. This is going to be our last phonics now before the summer holidays. Okay, so remember all the different letters that we've been learning. Try and keep making marks. Try and keep thinking about sounds in words and practicing singing nursery rhymes as well, ready for starting school in September. I think everybody is going to be fantastic at school in September, and if you carry on with this super phonics, your school teacher is going to be so impressed with all of you. So well done. Keep practicing your phonics all the time, and grown-ups, make sure that phonics is fun. because it can be really fun, can't it, phonics? Because we have fun on our videos. Okay? Bye everybody, and thank you so much for working hard on your phonics with me. I'm very, very proud of everybody. Well done.